Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete sleep tracking on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want your Apple Watch to stop tracking your sleep, all you need to do is go ahead and delete the sleep tracking. Now, to delete your sleep tracking on your Apple Watch, all you want to do is want to go ahead and press the D2 crown once to move from the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, you want to scroll down until you get to sleep and then click on it. Once you selected sleep, you see your sleep tracking like this. Now, to delete your sleep tracking, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the alarm icon at the top left. Once you click on that, then you should see your schedule. Now, scroll down until you get to schedule page. So, go ahead and click on reset schedule. This is going to reset your schedule on your Apple Watch. Now, to delete the sleep tracking, click on your bedtime, scroll down, and again click on bedtime, scroll down, then locate and click on delete schedule. Now, once you delete your schedule, you want to repeat this as well on all the bedtime information you have, and then it should say your next schedule deleted. So this is going to end the sleep tracking on your Apple Watch. And now for you to use the sleep tracking again, you need to go ahead and set up a next schedule. This includes your bedtime and then your wake up time. So once you set up the bedtime and wake up time, this is going to start tracking your sleep. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.